it's Margaret, interview coach, and in today's video, I wanted to talk about 5 resume myths you shouldn't believe. Myth number 1. Your CV should never be more than 1 page. Yes, your CV should be concise and compelling, and if you are a new graduate or you don't have a lot of work experience, 1-page CV is absolutely fine. But if you have 10, 15 or 20 years of experience, you should absolutely have a longer resume. I would recommend 2 pages, maybe even 3 pages, as long as it's not 10 or 14 pages. I have actually seen resumes that long, and that's way too long. Myth number 2. You should put all of your experience on your resume. As a general rule, I wouldn't go back more than 15 to 20 years. Even if what you did 25 years ago is relevant to the position you're applying for, nobody will hire you because of what you did 25 years ago. Also, putting experiences from that long ago can actually date you, and it doesn't really help your candidacy. Myth number 3. You should use the same resume for all the jobs. One size definitely doesn't fit all here, and you should always try to tailor your resume a little bit to every single job to highlight how you meet the needs of that specific position. Myth number 4. Stuffing keywords into your resume will get you through ATS, the applicant tracking system. It might actually get you through ATS. However, while you should always optimize your CV with using some relevant keywords, you should never stuff the keywords into your resume just for the sake of doing that. When a recruiter then reads your CV, it will be pretty obvious that you were just trying to game the system instead of actually outlining why you're suitable for the position. And the final myth, myth number 5, a great resume is the magic elixir to landing a job. Yes, you do need a great resume, but you also need a great attitude, interviewing skills, network, follow-up skills. So a resume on its own will not get you the job. If you are looking for help with your job search strategy and your resume, check out my Get the Job You Want online course. This online course has 5 training webinars which cover everything from what recruiters are looking for on a resume in a lot of detail, how to get more interviews in a competitive job market, how to optimize your LinkedIn profile so that recruiters come to you, how to sell yourself as the best person for the role, and how to negotiate your best salary yet. I also include a resume template that will get you interviews, as well as career networking scripts, salary negotiation scripts, and a list of activities that you should be doing weekly if you want to get hired. You can also get it with £30 off, that's almost $40 off, if you use the coupon code which you can see in the link below. I hope that you found this video useful. If you liked it, feel free to share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.